वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव कार्येषु सर्वदा गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः।
अहम् इदानीं पेज् करोति। नमस्ते भगिनी। Do you have the Vakya Vyavahara book, Saraswati ji?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Which page?
24.
24?
Bhagini, you sent me from 28, Bhagini.
28?
28,
27. Yeah, 27. The page number is 27. From 27 it is there. 27, nothing much is there. Just one sentence.
Okay.
Vakya Vyavahara, page 27?
What?
You said page number is 27, Vakya Vyavahara?
Bhagini, it's not Vyavahara, Pradeep. It's not RSS. It's other something new. Even I got confused when you said Vakya Vyavahara. I thought, oh, that is the...
Shamyatam. It is Prayoga Vistarah. Atra Bandhavaha Santi Bahu Dvanihi Agachati Kinchit.
Oh, sorry, Prayoga Vistarah va? Tat pustakam mama samipe asti. Astu. I thought you were sending some new book. Okay. 27 va?
अस्तु त प्रत्ययापि भूतकालरूपमेव गतवान् स्वप्ना जी can you read this?
गतवान् गतवन्तौ गतवन्तः कर्तरी मध्ये कर्मणि मध्ये गतः गतौ गताः स्त्रीलिङ्गे गतवती गतवत्यौ गतवत्यः गता गते गताः नपुंसकलिङ्गे गतवत् गतवती गतवन्ति गतं गते गतानि.
So this is the format. Now we can go for the exercise from page number 28.
Okay.
Ekanimisham, can you show that slide again, Bhagini?
Yeah.
Gatavat, Gatavati,
Gatavanti.
Gatavanti. Astu.
So, it is given as Shrutavan. So we have to say the three forms of the pratyaya. Shrutaha, Shruta, Shrutam. Tavat.
Which one are you talking, Akhila?
Page
20. 32, right? Or the first one. Oh, Shrutavan. Okay. Shrutavan will be Shrutaha, Shrutau, Shrutaha. Nyatavan, Nyatavat.
Now we are telling the only the three forms like Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga, not the Eka Vachanam or Dvi Vachanam. So it is Gataha, Gata, Gatam. Gatavan iti asti chete, we have to say Gataha, Gata, Gatam.
Oh, okay. So Shrutavan, you want Shrutaha, Shruta, Shrutam. Okay. Gyatavan, Gyataha, Gyata, Gyatam. Uktavan, Uktaha, Ukta, Uktam. Likhitavan, Likhita, Likhita, Likhitam. Prishtavan, Prishta, Prishta, Prishtam?
Prishtaha.
Prishtaha, Prishta, Prishtam. Okay. Dhyatavan, Dhyataha, Dhyata, Dhyatam. Adhitavan, Adhitaha, Adhita, Adhitam. Swikritavan, Swikritaha, Swikrita, Swikritam. Darshitavan, Darshitaha, Darshita, Darshitam.
अस्तु Lavanya Bagini, can you start the next one?
अस्तु उदाहरणे दर्शितेन क्रमेण अधो निर्दिष्टानां भूतकृदन्तरूपाणि लिखत उदाहरणः नयति कर्तरि मध्ये नीतवान् नीतवती कर्मणि नीतः नीता नीतं ताडयति ताडितवान् ताडितवती ताडितः
We can also
ताडिता
include the Napumsakalingam also.
अस्तु अस्तु ताडितः ताडिता ताडितं नो ताडितवान् ताडितवती ताडितवत् ताडितः ताडिता ताडितं निर्दिशति निर्दिष्टवान् वा निर्दिष्टवान् निर्दिष्टवती निर्दिष्टवत् निर्दिष्टः निर्दिष्टा निर्दिष्टं क्षालयति क्षालितवान् क्षालितवती क्षालितवत् क्षालितः क्षालिता क्षालितं मार्जयति मार्जितवान् मार्जितवती मार्जितवत् मार्जितः मार्जिता मार्जितं गणयति गणयति गणितवान् वा गणितवान् गणितवती गणितवत् गणितः गणिता गणितं स्पृशति स्पृष्टवान् स्पृष्टवती स्पृष्टवत् स्पृष्टः स्पृष्टा स्पृष्टं खादति खादितवान् खादितवती खादितवत् खादितः खादिता खादितं जिग्रति घ्रातवान् घ्रातवती घ्रातवत् घ्रातः घ्राता घ्रातं जानाति ज्ञातवान् ज्ञातवती ज्ञातवत् ज्ञातः ज्ञाता ज्ञातं ददाति दत्तवान् दत्तवती दत्तवत् दत्तः दत्ता दत्तं
The next are given the special forms. Saraswati ji, can you read that? Pachati.
Pachati, paktavan, paktaha.
That is paktaha or pakvaha?
Pakvaha, sorry, pakvaha, not taha. Paktavan, pakvaha. I'm just reading whatever is there.
Yeah.
Paktavan. Nudati. Nudati is nuttavan, nunnavan. Nunnavan. One of these is possible. Or nuttaha, nunnaha. Chinatti. Chinatti means selecting. That is chinoti, right? Chinatti. Chinatti. I don't know. Chinatti. So chinnavan, chinnaha. Cheditaha.
Cheditaha is ashuddham rupam.
Oh, okay. Oh, ashuddham is paktavan. You cannot say. What?
They have given us
here it is. Here it is paktavan. Then why it is ashuddha?
Yeah, they have put a star. I don't know. It is same, right? The paktavan on the left side and the paktavan on the right side is same, right?
Yeah.
I don't know why they have given the star.
Below other something is written. So I think when we are writing, we are not supposed to write it in this form. We should write it in that Samyukta Aksharani should be proper, I think.
Yeah. Samyukta Aksharavatu left side. Idu Tadeva Shuddham iti.
Okay. But these are all Nodita is should I read that? Why you even confuse us, right?
Yeah.
I'm not getting confused, my boy.
We will remember that one.
Exactly. Then we will.
Gilati is girnavan, girnaha.
The dhatu is gru rukara. So it comes as girnavan.
Okay. Gri is
gru rukara.
Hrasvava dirghava.
Dirgha rukara.
Oh. Gru. Okay. Jagarti is jagaritavan. Jagaritaha. Dadhati. Dadhati is hitavan.
Hitavan. That is a special
Hitavan
form.
hitaha. Yeah, not this the dadati.
Yeah, this is the dhatu is dha. Both dha.
Hmm. Dha. Okay. So it becomes hitavan, hitaha. Dashati is biting. Dashati is dashtavan, dashtaha. Nidrati or just drati. Nidrati is nidranavan, drana or nidranaha. Ahvayati, ahutavan, ahutaha. Nrutyati, nruttavan, nruttaha. Japati, japitavan, japitaha. Yachati, dattavan, dattaha. Same way, here also it is changing. Dattavan.
इदानीम् अभ्यासं करोतु महोदय.
Want
Yeah,
me
you
to
can
do?
do the next abhyasa.
Okay. उदाहरण सः विद्यालयं गतवान्, तेन विद्यालयः गतः. पित्रा पुत्रं बोधितवान्, पित्रा पुत्रः बोधितः. सा स्यूतं नीतवती, तया स्यूतः नीतः. रामः तत्त्वं न ज्ञातवान्. नपुंसकलिङ्ग. ओके. रामः तत्त्वं ज्ञातवान्. रामेण तत्त्वं
ना napumsakalinge. So jnatavan. Oh, you've not said. Sorry. Kshamyatam.
I am already confused. Ramena tattvam only it will be because it's napumsakalingam. Ramena tattvam jnatam because of the thing. Vaidyah aushadham dattavan. Vaidyena aushadham dattam.
नपुंसकलिङ्गं.
Dattam. Rogi aushadham pitavan. Rogina aushadham pitam. Saha vishayam smrutavan. Tena vishayah smrutah. Sevika. If they give like this in exam also, I will be able to do.
That will be very easy.
Sevika malam rachitavati. Sevikaya mala rachita. Gruhini denum pujitavati. Gruhinya denuhu pujita. Karmakarah vriksham arudhavan. Karmakarena vrikshah arudah. Balakah bittim. Balakah bittim sprushtavan. Balakena bitti. This will become bittihi, like mati shabdam vale. Bittihi sprushta.
Next. अधो निर्दिष्टानि वाक्यानि भूते कर्तरि कर्मणि च लिखत. उदाहरणं बालः शालां गच्छति, बालः शालां गतवान्, बालेन शाला गता. मार्जारः मूषकं गृह्णाति, मार्जारः मूषकं गृहीतवान्, मार्जारेण मूषकः गृहीतः. जनाः धर्मं पालयन्ति, जनाः धर्मं पालितवन्तः. जनैः धर्मः पालितः. शिशुः क्षीरं पिबति, शिशुः क्षीरं पीतवान्, शिशुना क्षीरं पीतम्. सा चन्द्रं पश्यति, सा चन्द्रं दृष्टवती, तया तया चन्द्रः दृष्टः। सरला शाटिकां क्रीणाति, सरला शाटिकां क्रीतवती, सरलया शाटिका क्रीता। छात्रः पाषाणं क्षिपति, छात्रः पाषाणं क्षिप्तवान्, छात्रेण पाषाणः क्षिप्तः। नटः हारान् धरति, नटः हारान् धृतवान्, नटेन हाराः धृताः। बालः अक्षराणि लिखति, बालः अक्षराणि लिखितवान्, बालेन अक्षराणि लिखितानि। कुम्भकारः घटान् निर्माति, कुम्भकारः घटान् निर्मितवान्, कुम्भकारेण घटाः निर्मिताः। पण्डितः पुटान् परिशीलयति, पण्डितः पुटान् परिशीलितवान्, पण्डितेन पुटाः परिशीलिताः।
Okay. वाक्यानां प्रयोगपरिवर्तनं कुरुत.
There is Jaya Bhagini too.
Oh, she's there? Okay.
Jaya Bhagini, you want to read?
She knows the page? Abhyasa 30.
30.
Page 30, Abhyasa 35.
म्यूट् मध्ये अस्ति भगिनी.
Sorry. Abhyasa 35 in Bhasha Pravesha?
No.
Bhagini, it's in Prayoga Vistaraha. I have sent you the PDF.
Okay. No, see, my signal is not working. Actually, my signal version expired, so I'm not getting
Swapna
any
ji, you can
updates.
start. I'll send her in WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, send me WhatsApp, sorry.
रजकः वस्त्राणि क्षालितवान्. रजकेन वस्त्राणि क्षालितानि. Okay. क्रेता वस्तूनि क्रीतवान्. क्रेतया वस्तूनि.
भगिनी ऋकारान्त क्रेता.
So Kreta, so
Kretra.
Kretra. Okay. Kretra vastuni krititani. No. Kritani. Kritani. Okay. Sevakah vrikshan siktavan. Sevakena vrikshaha siktaha. Guruhu niyaman bodhitavan. Guruna niyamaha bodhitaha. Vidyarthini pathan patitavati. So this is Vidyarthinyaha. No, Vidyarthinya. Oh, it is Tritiya. Vidyarthinya. Is that right? Vidyarthinya pathaha patitaha. Bhaktah devau namaskritavan. Bhaktena devau namaskritau. Correct?
Satyam.
Chhatrah pathau kanthasthikritvan. Chhatrena pathau kanthasthikritau. Balikaah syutau nitavatyaha. Balikabhihi syutau nitavatyau. Grihinyah.
नीतौ.
Oh, nitau. Correct. Nitau. Nitau. Grihinyah devau architavatyah. Grihinibihi devau architau. Gayakaah gite shravitavantah. Gayikaah. So, Gayakaah, sorry. Gayakaihi Geete. Geetam, right? No. Geete.
Geetam.
So this is Ditya Geete. Shravite? No, Shavitau?
Shravite eva napumsakalingam.
Shravite.
Geetam.
Try to
Napumsakalinga.
say it
Okay.
in Shravitam, Shravite, Shravitani.
But no. Shravitam,
Shravitani.
Shravitavati, right?
No, that is
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
napumsakalinga.
No. Oh.
Geetam. So
Geetam.
Geetam.
न
Geetam
Geete.
भगिनी न भगिनी that ti came only in kartari prayogah. Karmani it was shravitam, shravite, shravitani.
Oh, okay. Oh, really? Okay.
Bhagini see the
Here.
screen share.
Okay.
Gatavat, gatavati, gatavanti.
Okay. Kshamyatam. Okay, Shravite. Balakaha dandau bhanjitavantaha. Balakaihi dandau bhanjitau.
Jaya Bhagini, are you able to locate now? You are on page number 30.
Yes, I got it. Thank you.
Abhyasa 36.
36, yeah.
These are special forms which, were you there when we read that?
Yeah, I heard. Yeah,
Okay.
I heard. Yeah. Okay. Balaha vakyani balena vakyani rachitani. Janaha yanam nrud janaihi yanam nruditam.
No, that is a special form. Nuttam.
Nuttam. Sorry. Yeah. Nuttam. Sarpaha mandukaha. Sarpena mandukaha. Is it girya or girya?
Girnaha.
Girnaha. Yeah. Girnaha. Rameshaha suhrut. Rameshena suhrut. What is that form? Suhrut. Rameshena suhrut ahutaha. Ahutaha. Suhrut is Sarpaha Purushaha Damsha. Sarpaha. Sarpena Purushaha Dashtaha. Purushaha Dashtaha. Krushikaha Vrikshaha Chid. Krushikena Vrikshaha Chin. I think it's a special form. Chinnaha. Vrikshaha Chinnaha. Chinnaha. Pachakaha Tandulaha Pach. Pachakena Tandulaha. This is also, I think it's a special form. Pachaka Tandula Paktaha.
Pakwaha.
Oh. Isn't like Pakwaha is like ripe, right?
Yeah, it seems like that, but Pakwaha, Paktavan, the pratyaya form is Pakwaha.
Okay. Bhaktaha mantraha jap. Bhaktena mantraha japitaha. Bhaktena mantraha japitaha. Sa pushpani ghra. I think it's jigrat. Taya pushpani ghra. Pushpani gratani. Pushpani gratani. Gratani. Sevakaha patram ni dha. Sevakena patram
This
Not
is a
sure what
special
it-
form. Hitavan.
Hitavan.
Hitavan is a Tavatu form. So from that you can derive the Ta Pratyaya form.
Hitavan. Hitavan is so this is Patra means hitam. Hitam.
Hitam, there is a Upasarga there.
Oh.
Ni. Upasarga Ni is there.
Oh, okay. Sevakena patram nihitam then? Is it
Nihitam. Nihitam.
Oh my god, I don't know this form. Okay. Okay. Devaha prapanchaha sruj. Devena prapanchaha srishtaha. Like drashtaha. Okay.
मम अवसरः वा अस्तु अधो निर्दिष्टानां वाक्यानां कर्तरि प्रयोगरूपं लिखत उदाहरणः तेन पाठः पठितः सः पाठं पठितवान् बालैः पाठाः पठिताः बालाः पाठान् पठितवन्तः छात्रैः शब्दाः उच्चारिताः छात्राः शब्दान् उच्चारितवन्तः जनैः नियमौ पालितौ जनाः नियमौ पालितवन्तौ
No,
no जनैः जनाः नियमौ पालितवन्तः hold I would say ताभ्यां कथा श्राविता ते कथां ताभ्याम् इत्युक्ते ते खलु सा ते ताः
You can take it.
Like Saraswati said, I'm already confused. Okay, te katam shravitavatyau.
Sorry, if it is stay, then it should be taihi, right? Taihi. It should be strilingam.
Yeah.
Taha.
Wait, tabhyam is dvivachana kalu. Vivachana tabhyam is same for pullinga and strilinga kalu.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Sorry.
I picked the strilinga. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was right.
Both can be used.
Yeah.
Even
So
I
I
got
said
confused actually.
okay.
Even I got confused.
Initially, it's only Pullingam strikes. So that's why I told Tau.
Okay. Te katam shravitavatyau. Asmabhihi gatana smrita. Vayam. This is asmabhihi gatana smrita. What is gatana? Gatana eva.
Gatanam.
Gatana is strilinga shabdam va?
Ghatana, right?
Gatana is
Okay.
this is in Prathama. So Gatanam.
Gatanam astu. Vayam gatanam smritavatyau. No. Smritavatyah. Adhika.
Vayam.
Vayam.
Smritavatyah.
Okay.
वयं सर्वे महिलाः खलु अत्र अनिल्जी नास्ति खलु अधिकारिणा सञ्चिके परिशीलिते अधिकारी सञ्चिके ओके परिशीलितवान् बालाभ्यां प्रयासः कृतः okay. I will go for pullinga. I can't say bala as well, isn't it? Okay. Balau prayasam kritavantau. Balikabhyam chakalehaah kritaah. Balike chakalehan kritavatyav. Chakalehan. Tabyam padau abhivanditau.
पुनः एकवारं वदतु भगिनि चाकले
बालिके चाकलेहान् क्रीतव बालिके would be द्विवचन खलु, so क्रीतवत्यौ अस्तु। ताभ्यां पादौ अभिवन्दितौ, तौ पादौ अभिवन्दितौ would become अभिवन्दितवान् अभिवन्दितवान् what am I saying? वन्तौ अभिवन्दितवन्तौ। अस्तु। यात्रिकाभ्यां हले क्रीते, यात्रिकाभ्यां would become यात्रिके, यात्रिके हले क्रीतवत्यौ।
So karmani is in our mind, the kartari is
So abhivanditau will be abhivanditau, right?
I wanted to go. My problem was I wanted to go for Striling, or I can say it in Strilinga Bhagini. I could have said te padau abhivandita vatyau. That would have been easier for me, I think. Thinking in Pullinga was hard for me.
So what is
Abhivanditavan, abhivanditavantau, abhivanditavantah.
You take away abhi, then take vanditav.
Yeah, that is easy.
Vanditavantah. Vanditavati, vanditavatyo, vanditavantyah. Next, actually, we have half an hour left. Either we can, the exercise in RSS is simple, or we can go for the lung forms. Last week, we didn't see this one. We saw this exercise, this one. Ichati, the forms beginning with E, U, Va. So these forms, they have a special, we mentioned this, but we didn't go into that. Because of Sandhi, Guna Sandhi doesn't come, Vriddhi Sandhi will come. Someone can read. And whose turn is next? Saraswati.
Okay. Ichati. So this is lang lakara, okay, kartari lang. Ichati, I ichat, it becomes echat, aichat. Because
so,
A plus E becomes I.
A plus E
becomes
be A only, but Vriddhi Sandhi comes. So aichat, it becomes aichat.
Another, okay. Aichat. Ishyate, karmani will become ishyate. So A plus ishyata, aishyata. Ishta.
Ta pratyaya.
Ishtaha.
Ta pratyaya will be ishtaha.
Okay, so just reading the form. Ichati, aichat, ishyate, aishyata, ishtaha. Okay. Ikshate, A plus ikshata becomes ekshata. So anywhere there is aikshata, sorry. Anywhere there is an E, it becomes I. Aikshata. Aikshata. Ikshyate is karmani. So then it will become aikshyata. Aikshyata. And kta is ikshitaha. And here, because there is an akara, ikshate, that becomes E. Ikshitaha.
What do you say?
In the first one, ikshate, right? Or ikshate, then whenever there is a A sound, then it becomes E sound in the ta pratyaya.
Like that.
Like yeah, ikshitaha.
Ikshitaha.
Like patati, if you say patati, then it becomes patitaha.
The ksha becomes kshi. That's what you're saying, right? Ksha becomes kshi.
Yeah, just like here, how we are trying to learn how the change is happening. E becomes I. Here, the in between there is an A sound. Ksha becomes kshi. You can see that. Ishyati. Ishyati, A plus ishyat. Aishyat. Ishyate then becomes Aishyata. Aishyata then Ishitaha. Uhate, A plus Uhata, then A plus U should have become O, but because of the Vriddhi Sandhi, it becomes Au. Auhata.
Auhata.
Huhyate, it becomes Auhyata. Uhitaha. Then Vakti. Vakti. Adak is it? Avak. Avak.
Like avak.
Avak.
Vach sabdavati eva.
Avak.
Avak.
Avak. Uchyate is A plus Uchyata. Our Auchata. Auchata.
Auchyata.
Auchyata. Auchyata Uktaha. Vahati is Avad. 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 Avahat.
Vahat.
Yeah. Avahat. Uhyate. Uhyate. A plus Uhyate. Uhyata becomes Auhyata. Udaha. Udaha. So Vahati becomes Udaha. Vapati is Avapat. Upyate. Upyate. Aupyata. Uptaha. Vapati means
Sowing. Seeds.
okay. Vadati. Vadati is Avadat. Udyate. Audyata. Uditaha. Vasati. Avasat. Ushyate. Aushyata. Ushitaha.
So whenever in dhatu ikara comes, then it becomes aikara, and va comes means then au, it becomes au. When because of the addition of that is the thing which we have to remember in this. So there are few exercises in Vakya Vyavahara, Prayoga Vistaraha eva. The next page we can, if the lung forms, we can do little few of the exercise because we have half an hour left.
Which page?
The same PDF only, 32.
Prayoga Vistaraha?
Prayoga Vistaraha.
32, Abhyasa 38.
Who is doing?
Jaya Bhagini is doing. Jaya Bhagini.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Kartari bhute karmani vartamane karmani bhute. Okay. Agacchati. Udaharana gacchati agachat gamyate agamyata. What is that?
Gratnati.
Gratnati. Gratnati. Agratnata. Agratnat.
Agratnat.
Agratnat. Gratnat. What is Gratnati, by the way?
Something like curdling, something like that. I have to check. I'm not sure about that. I think so.
Okay.
Some sentence it meant like that.
Okay. Agratnat. Gratyate. Gratyate. Agrathyata. Agrathyata. Poshayati. Aposhayat. Poshyate. Aposhyata. Shrunoti. Ashrunot. Ashrunot.
That is a special form.
Shruyate. Ashruyata. पिबति अपिबत् पीयते अपीयत जिघ्रति अजिघ्रत् घ्रायते अघ्रायत ध्यायति अध्यायत्
एकनिमिषं लङ्लकारे किं कर्तरि मध्ये जिघ्रति अजिघ्रत् वा
अजिघ्रत् एव
अजिघ्रत्
जी उपसर्ग नास्ति वा ग्र धातु
नास्ति नास्ति
नास्ति
that is a special form in
कर्मणि it will come घ्रायते
कर्मणि it becomes घ्रायते otherwise it is जिघ्रत् or जिघ्रति the latlakara form is जिघ्रति
ध्यायति अध्यायत् ध्यायते अध्यायत लभते अलभत्
आत्मनेपदी
लभते अलभेत 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 wait लभते right
try saying mandate
अलभ्यत अलभ्यत
that is karmani
no I'm going to karmani also
Bagini, try saying vandate's form, you will get it immediately.
okay vandate avandata
try now you will get
alabata labhyate alabhyata स्मरति अस्मरत् स्मर्यते अस्मर्यत क्रीणाति 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 क्रीणाति
what you are trying to tell was correct only
akrinat this is another different, it will come different krayana krayate akrayat akrayat akriyata kriyate akriyata जागरयति जागरयति अजागरयत् अजागरयत् जागरयति जागर्यते अजागर्यत
satyam
oh my god I will so relieved now
श्रूयते भूतकाल रूपं लिखत पठ्यते अपठ्यत श्रूयते अश्रूयत ज्ञायते अज्ञायत पाल्यते अपाल्यत दीयते अदीयत बध्यते अबध्यत दृश्यते अदृश्यत ग्रत्यते अग्रत्यत वन्द्यते अवन्द्यत कृष्यते अकृष्यत
नम्यते अनम्यत क्रियते अक्रियत क्रियते अक्रियत स्मर्यते अस्मर्यत नीयते अनीयत इदनते ध्रियते ध्रियते ध्री राइट
the and rakara
ध्रियते अध्रियत
no it's hrasva only dhriyate
अध्रियत अध्रियत गीयते अगीयत पच्यते अपच्यत स्पृश्यते अस्पृश्यत रच्यते अरच्यत पोष्यते अपोष्यत घ्रायते अघ्रायत
अदो निर्दिष्टानां अस्तु
Bagini, 1 minute. The next exercise will be simple. We can skip that and go to the next one.
अदो निर्दिष्टानां वाक्यानां कर्मणि प्रयोगरूपं लिखत अभ्यास 41 उदाहरणः बालः देवम् अवन्दत बालेन देवः अवन्द्यत छात्रः देवीम् अनमत् छात्रेण देवी देवी अनम्यत पितामही कथाम् अकथयत् पितामह्या कथा अकथ्यत सा पाकम् अकरोत् तया पाकः अक्रियत अक्रियत सः वासम् अकुरुत तेन वासं would become वासमेव वासः अक्रियत छात्राः उत्तराणि अलिखन् छात्राः उत्तराणि अलिखन् छात्रैः उत्तराणि अलिख्यन्त पाचिका शाकान् अकर्तयत् पाचिकया शाकाः अकर्तयन् अकर्त्यन् नो wait अकर्त्यन्त धनिकः नाणकानि अयच्छत् धनिकेन नाणकानि अधीयन्त महिला शाटिकाः अक्रीणात् महिलया शाटिकाः अक्रीयन्त कपयः शाकाः अकम्पयन् कपयः कपिना कपिभिः शाकान् अकम्प्यन्त गायकः गीतानि अगायत् गायकेन गीतानि अगीयन्त स्वामी सेवकान् भर्त्सयत स्वामिना सेवकाः अभर्त्स्यन्त धेनुः तृणानि अभुङ्क्त धेनुः धेन्वा तृणानि अभुज्यन्त धनिकः धनम् अव्ययत धनिकेन धनम् अव्ययन्त धनम् अव्ययत आञ्जनेयः समुद्रम् अलङ्घत आञ्जनेयेन समुद्रः अलङ्घ्यत वेदना रोगिणः अबाधत वेदनया रोगिणः अबाध्यन्त
just a minute. The Navama Vakyam Kapayah Shakaha Akampayan, right? So Kapi Bihi Shakaha Shaka eva, right?
Shakhan. Oh, Shakaha. Shakaha. Sorry. I think I said Shaka. Akampyanta. The last one, was it right?
Rogi, Roginau, Roginaha, Roginam, Roginau, Rogi.
Pratama, Dvitiya, Dvi, both to be Roginaha eva.
Okay. Rogin Shabda Vatukla.
Bhagini, what is that Dhanikaha Dhanam? Can you tell me that one? Avyayata, right?
Dhanikaha Dhanam Avyayata. Is it, how many yakara will be there in this now?
Yeah,
Karmani.
Yakara dvayam asti. In between two yakara, there is a half yakara.
So there are three.
There are three.
Isn't it? Yeah.
And in between, there is one half.
So Avyayata.
So Vyayayata. So there are two Vyayayata. We have to cut the ya half and add one more ya. As per the Atmanepadi.
So Avyayata. Avyayata.
Avyayata.
Avyayata. Okay.
Avya, iya, ta.
Avya and half ya, right? Avya, half ya, yata.
Afya, yata.
Yata.
Am.
Okay, okay, got it. Dhanyavad.
The next exercise will be simple. We can skip that and go to the next one.
Okay. अधो निर्देष्टानां वाक्यानां कर्मणि प्रयोगरूपं लिखत। क्रियापदस्थाने भूतकालानां लङ्घ्तं च लिखत। उदाहरण बालः पाठम् अपठत्, बालेन ग्रन्थः अपठ्यत, पठितः। Okay. गुरुः शिष्यं, where did the grantah come?
Yeah, they have added mistakenly. It should be Pataha.
Pataha. Okay. Guruhu Shishyam Abodhayat. Guruna Shishyah Abodhyata. Right? Abodhyata. Then it will be Bodhitaha. Bodhitaha. Devaha Samudram amatnan. Devaha will become devaihi samudraha amatyanatah. How is it? Amatyata. Otherwise it will be Mattavan, right?
Maditavan. So it becomes
Matitaha.
Maditaha.
D will be, right? Is it
Mathitaha.
Matitaha? Matitaha. Te upayan achintayan. Te becomes taihi. Chintayan because it's looks plural, right? Yeah. Taihi upayan. Upayan will become upayah. Achintayan will become chintayata. Chintayantaha. Achintayantaha.
Chintayanta.
Takara won't it become halanta? Chintyantaha.
Yeah. There is no visarga
Visarga
or halanta. Chintayanta. That's it.
Chintyanta.
Chintyanta, right?
Achintyanta.
Otherwise, it will be Chintitavan. So it will become Chintitaha.
Because upayaha iti asti.
Chintitaha. Vatavaha mantran apatan. Mantraha apatan. Vatavena mantraha.
Bhagini, that is the Tukaranta.
Guru Shabdam vale. So Guravaha, like, so it is Gurubihi, like Vatubihi. Vatubihi mantraha apatanta.
Apatyanta.
Because it's karmani, right? Apatyanta. Otherwise, it's patitavantaha. Patitaha. Sorry, it goes in steps. Okay.
Yeah, you can take your time. If we go in the right process, then only we'll be getting it correctly. Otherwise, we'll go wrong.
Varaha vadum. By the time I read, I think my 3 hours will go away. Vadum avrunot. Varena Vaduhu. It will become Vaduhu. Vaduhu will be it is Strilinga Shabdam. Strilinga Ekavachanam. Vaduhu Avrunot become Avruni.
The dhatu is vru, like kru.
So Akarot Akarota.
What is the karmani lung of
Kriyate Akriyata.
like
Akriyata. So Avriyata.
avriyata.
Avruyata. The way it Krita Kriyate Krutavan, right? Kruta Kruta. So Vruta. Becomes
Vruta.
Vruta. Gruhini Shakan Akrinat. Krinat. Gruhini will becomes Gruhinya. Gruhini, yes, Gruhinya Shakah Kriyate. So Akriyata Akriyatah Akriyanta, sorry, Akriyanta. Akriyanta. Otherwise it becomes Kritava Kritah. Malakari Malam Agratnath. This is a special word, right? We just learned before. Malakari.
Special form.
Pardon?
No, this is not a special form.
We just came across this word, I think.
Yeah.
Mala.
Yeah, Bhagini was asking the meaning for that.
Yeah. Malakari, it becomes Malakari bihi. Malakari bihi.
Malakari ekavachanam.
Malakari ekavachanam. So Malakarya. Malakarya. Mala. Kratnath. I don't know. Akratyata. Yeah, because of the karma. Akratyata. Otherwise, it be akratya. Akrataha.
A is not necessary for ta pratyaya.
Yeah, sorry. Krataha.
Kratita.
Yeah, because of the A coming, it becomes E. Kratita.
The Tavatu form is Kratitavan. So Kratitaha, Kratita, Kratitam. Kratita.
Because of the Mala, Kratita.
Kratita.
Sahavasam Atyujat. Tena Atyujat.
Atyajat. Not Tyujat. Tyajat.
Atyajat. Not you. Atyajat. Tena Sahavasam becomes Sahavasam only.
Sahavasaha.
Sahavasaha. Okay. Tena Sahavasaha. Here also there will be half. Yeah, this there is Atyajayat. Atyajat, right?
So the
Tyajati.
last the letter before takara becomes half.
So Tyajat.
Tyajyata. Tyajyata.
Based on the root, not on the.
Yeah.
I told something that is not correct. Based on the root, it becomes atyajyata.
Tyajyata. So it's half ja. Tyajyata.
Yes.
Yeah, ja is half.
Then this will become Tyajati, will become Tyaktavan, right? Like that. Tyaktaha because of the pullinga. Tyaktaha. Nyayadishaha Dushtan Adandayat. न्यायाधीशेन दुष्टाः dandayat will become dandayati will become danday.
First go for the karmani form of lat itself. Dandayati.
That's what I'm saying.
Dandiyate.
Dandayati becomes dandayate. Okay.
Dandiyate.
So dandiyate. Dandiyate. So then it will become adandiyate. Adandyata. Because of the dushtaha adandyanta becomes adandyanta. So danditavan will become the singular because of the danditaha.
Danditaha.
Sarpaha mandukan agilat. Sarpena mandukaha gilat.
That's a special form. Girati.
Yeah. Girati. So giryate, agiryata.
That is rukara. Dirgha rukara. So it becomes giryate in karmani.
Yeah. Giryate. Then
Is it like tarati becoming tiryate? So
Tarati, yeah, like that.
Okay.
Tru dhatu.
Agriyanta. Because of the agriryanta.
Giryate.
Mandaka.
Na green. So, Bagini, greena. Geer. Agiryanta.
Giryanta. Agiryanta. Okay. Then this will become
the Tavatu form is Girnavan.
Girnavan. It become Girnaha.
Girnaha.
Thanks for your patience, all of you.
First time everyone will have the same time. Yeah, the time is already up. There are more exercise. I think I have sent everything. You can try. There are some Upasarga Sagita Dhatus exercise also given. It will be very easy if you go through that. That's very interesting exercise. When you get time, you can go through that. Next week we can do Lot Karmani.
Lot Karmani.
We have Lot Karmani and Sandhi. That's all. I think the rest of the things are left out. Finished.
Yeah, if we can do like, even though we are going to do it in our class, we have to do some model papers, then it will, because picking up part from different parts, it will just simulate our brain much better.
In case during our class, if we go to model question papers, let's keep this one separate. Let's pick a separate model question paper and do it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. We can do like that. So 2 classes we can go. Sandhi we can take more. Most probably it will go for 2 class. Totally 3 class. We have at least 2 classes for model question paper. We can try that. Astu Bhagini. Swapna Bhagini, you can say the prayer and we can close out the session.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om tat sat iti Shri Gurubhyo namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.